Hi, today we're going to take a look at the Solgaard Trunk in the Closet, or suitcase, whatever you like to call it. Now, this is the big 27-inch, 11-pound suitcase that you take with you, and we'll tell you why we ordered it at the end. I'm Brad, and I'm in 6260 Ohana, California. So let's take a look at the packaging. The first thing I noticed on the packaging when we received it was this. That the packaging is 100% recyclable material, and they boast down here that is made from all 100% recyclable material or pre-used material and 0% first-use plastic. So hey, it's always good to see. So we'll see how they packaged it inside and take a look at that. Also, on the other side of the box you see, it saves 229 plastic bottles from the ocean. So I did do some research on this. My understanding is that the lining of this is made with recycled plastic water bottles that they have collected around the rivers and the oceans to make the lining of this. So that's actually a really good thing. I like that, and it's good to be a little bit environmentally conscious when we're trying to travel. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this. They did tape this really good. Now, Kim did order this, and I have not seen it. And she really, really wanted this. You get the suitcase. And so I don't have a clue what color this is or anything else other than what I've read about it. So this is going to be interesting. Okay. Open it up. Okay. Oh, well, okay. A little piece of cardboard on top to protect the top here. And it looks like they put it into another bag to protect it. So, okay. Well, I guess that'll be always nice to have. Maybe a dirty laundry bag to keep some dirty clothes in. That's great for our travel lifestyle. And here it is. Oh, she got the blue. I'll put the official color of this down here below. But yeah, it's a nice shiny blue. I like this. And it's really not that heavy. For 11 pounds, it's not bad. Now, one thing I like about immediately picking this up is this handle. It feels secure, and it's nice and soft. It doesn't feel like it's going to kill your hands like some of those hard ones that will dig into you and have that plastic ridge. This is kind of a flexible plastic, which is nice. It's great. They do have some tags on top. And it's just explaining how the shelving system works that's in here, and that's what's kind of the cool feature about this suitcase is the shelving features in this. And see here. And it also says that they've saved 30 million plastic bottles in 2021. So, hey. Now, oh wow, that really rolls good. So this does have anti-friction casters that are movable, sway on all four corners here. And those really glide well. Another thing about this is nice, I can notice right away from the outside, is this. This is an aluminum frame. So, like most suitcases that you press down really hard on the edges like this, they'll give a lot. This is actually pretty stout. This is made from 100% polycarbonate, so they say it's indestructible, and it has a lifetime warranty on it from manufacturer defects. So that's nice to have that warranty, because the reason we bought this is because we recently took a trip and one of our suitcases cracked right down the edge, and that's not a good thing to have happen because we know it's going to break more as we travel. So another thing about the suitcase is great is this. I have one hand, I'm holding this. This little thing just pops the hinges open like that, and you open her right up. First thing I noticed also that's in here is this. Now this is another bag, which you could probably use for shoe bags, laundry bags. Hey, I like to find other uses for things when we travel. But this is your closet system. So this does fold out, comes out, and this will hook up actually on your hook. I'll show you some B-roll how this actually works. But it has a little strap here so you can hook it around the top if you like, and it'll stay up there. Or it also has these hooks for a closet, which would be nice if you were traveling and you just want to unpack your suitcase. There you go, you got it. Now the other thing about these pockets is if you notice, and I'll try to stand back here a little bit, is that you have this little space here. This is so the suitcase, when it's going over to the handle, is that it has a little bit of a break, so it keeps everything organized. Has tiny little shelves here, they're mesh, and also 2 of these zippers that you can put shirts and stuff in and put it in and air. And down here it looks like it's got a little organizer, so you can roll some shirts or even put some shoes in there maybe. And what's great about this is how it compacts down, and then on the sides it has these little straps. These straps actually will collapse the whole package down so it'll fit better into your suitcase. And no squishing. And actually, it's pretty stout on these sides. I'm pushing pretty hard. So it's got some good support there. Another great thing about this is when this is open. So you can open it all the way open like this, flat. But I wouldn't do that with this on here because it could probably make it fall over. But they do have something to stop that, which is this little latch system. So what you do is just latch these 2 things. It looks like it has little magnets on it. Together like that. Oh, that's actually nice and simple. Once you figure it out, it snaps in like that, which causes the suitcase not to open all the way. And that allows you to keep this at a steady angle so you can hang everything on there so it won't fall over, which is awesome to have. You know, you have 2 ways of opening it and getting your stuff out. That's great. Another thing that they do is, if you notice on the sides of this is bigger than this side. Where a lot of these suitcases will be right down in the middle. This also allows you to keep the weight in the back, keep it up, but it still gives you plenty of room into this storage area, which also gives you a little bit nice, good room there. I'd say probably a few inches there, which is nice to be able to put other things, or even keep your dirty clothes separate from your clean clothes. And talking about compressing things down too, also these little flaps have some little bit of storage area in them, so you can put some small things. These will connect similarly like the other ones. So you can actually just keep everything in there, so when you do open it on that angle, it's not coming out. And shutting it is just easy as closing and latching it down. Now, I told you that there was a reason we ordered this. One is that Kim actually has its smaller brother from a few years ago, which is the travel closet. And this is what she's used. This has been around the airport, so you can see some dings and stuff on it. Without warranty, it does not cover cosmetic damage. It just any damage from regular use it covers. But this has been great when we travel, and she loves it because she always has an extra day of clothes, because you know, when you air travel, sometimes you don't always get your luggage. So we always have extra clothes. And the great thing about this, and I noticed it when we've used it, it does not tip over forward when you're trying to move it. I've never had this one fall over other than when we're trying to throw it around. And this thing has gotten banged around by Kim at airports, and it's worked great. With this also, this is the older version of it. It also has a cool little USB port, so you can put a charging brick inside and carry around, and it takes a little bit of weight off your back if you're carrying a lot of things. Now the big one does not have that, but we've been so impressed with this that we love it. And it does say on the website this is waterproof. As a lot of our regular viewers know that we do travel to Central Florida, Disney World a lot, I have gotten my suitcases where they were just soaking wet because it's cloth. And Kim's had a Samsonite hard case that parts of her clothes got wet because that, again, it's just like a plastic zippery thing that doesn't seal. That's what we really like about this with the aluminum frame. It closes nice and tight together, and probably will help keeping our clothes dry in those Central Florida rainstorms that come around 3 o'clock every day, you know? So that's the reason. Now here comes the hard part, is the price. The check-in closet is $355. Now, if you do go look on Amazon, you'll find the Samsonites with those hard parley collar net like this, ranging from anywhere from $150 to $250. Is it worth the $100 extra for the closet build up and all the different things? Yes, I do, because like I said, we've been in Central Florida, our clothes have gotten soaking wet, and I had to do laundry our first day of one of our vacations. So I truly believe it's great. Also, to let you know, the side lock here is, you can set your combination inside. There is a little switch you switch on. You can set your own combo, lock it. It is TSA compliant. So if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and follow along on Hana. And please let us know down below, do you want to see more of these type of travel gadgets and things that we take with us on our Disney trips? Please comment. So with that, I think it's time for me to say goodbye and find your magic. Bye everyone.